So some people actually call it the eighth wonder of the world. Some call it the Great Wildebeest Migration. But as for me, it's actually the greatest nature show on earth. As Lion Pride Adventures, we always pride ourselves to be the home for African safaris, and the migration has just started. So let me show you the migration, the Great MAASAI Mara. This is not for the wildebeest, but I'll show you the wildebeest. So for those who don't actually know me, I'm your host, Steven Nelson. And today I'm showcasing to you the Great Wildebeest migration that is happening between the zebras and the wildebeest that came from the northern Serengeti all the way to the MAASAI Mara. So just a few days ago, they crossed the river at the Sun River on this other side, and they are now inside the MAASAI Mara. So let me show you how the Great Wildebeest Migration 2025 is happening this year. This is the first lot of wildebeests and zebras that have just made it to the Mara. Beautiful scene here. Look at that. The Great Wildebeest Migration 2025 just started 2 days ago. And the animals are here. On this side you have so many zebras. Different harems. So many. Look at that. So this group is part of the group of the migration whereby they travel, they come to the Mara, about 2 million animals. A consortium of both wildebeests and zebras. So here, this side is the group of zebras. And on the other side we have the wildebeest. Look at that. Such spectacular, magical event. It's crazy scene. There is the migration. They are all over. That's the 360 angle on this side. More animals. More animals, more zebras, more wildebeest. I swear, it's just magical and beautiful. The Mara is in stripes, black and white, black and white. Look at that. It's just spectacular. These are our guests from Tanzania. They are welcome in the Mara now. So we've just seen the migration, the first lot of the wildebeest that has come in, but unfortunately the lions had the best of him. So here we have a group of juvenile males there with the young lionesses. They made a kill of the wildebeest there, and they're now feasting and enjoying. The action is actually right now in the Mara. This is the month of July, and the migration has started. It has come with predators like this. So we're waiting for you in Kenya to come and experience up-close sightings like this. Oh. This is a beautiful thing. तुमको दिख रहा है थोड़ा वहाँ से? सारा कुछ दिख रहा है मुझे और घबराहट हो रही है मुझे. Remember we are stopped like this, and the lion maybe comes and sit just on the car's shed,
You're not supposed to wake him up. You should stay until you go. They have no problem. We are watching them eating. You're feasting and enjoy their meal there. So the females can eat about, the females need about 5 kilos of meat per day. The males about 7 kilos of meat per day. This is an actual fresh kill of the wildebeest here. Fresh kill. Eh? Oh, the other male is waking up. Yeah. Such a beautiful scene. So guys, if you want to come and enjoy epic safaris like this, book with us. And we bring you to this beautiful nature show on earth. There you go. Another lioness is there.
Why is she just sitting alone?
She had a feel from the wildebeest. Now she's relaxing, enjoying the sun. Maybe it will go down there to have a drink. So there you go. These are the big cats of the Maasai Mara. They have plenty of the food. The wildebeests are actually on that side. If you see the small dots, those are the wildebeests, the first wave that came in, that migrated from the Serengeti. That's the lioness there. It's enjoying itself. Had a feel. Beautiful. Just nice. And on the other side, the other members of the pride are enjoying their fresh kill of the wildebeest. Oh, I heard the other one is waking up. Actually, it's not a female. This is a juvenile male. This is a juvenile male. You're looking at us? Beautiful. Yeah. There you go. It's going back to join the other pride. Look at that. It's actually in front of a Land Cruiser there. The other group is there, enjoying and feasting. The juvenile male is on the move. There you go. Juvenile male is on the move. Yeah. Look at this. Such a beautiful scene. Now, Proud of Inches, we will promise to give you magical sightings like this. Look at that. Up close. The other juvenile male has had a feel. The other ones are still enjoying that. All this action is happening in the beautiful, awesome Maasai Mara. There you go. It's had a feel. So now, enjoying ourselves. Beautiful sightings. And on the other side, what the dots you're seeing is actually the great wildebeest migration, the first lot that came in today, the day before yesterday. So another group has also crossed the Hassan River, and they're grazing, enjoying the beautiful grass of the Mara. So this is the great wildebeest migration 2025. We were not so lucky enough to catch the crossing of the rivers, but we posted. I will show you in our next upcoming videos how the crossing happens at the Mara River. So now So this is a road crossing. On a light or not. So these are not our resident wallabies, these are wallabies from Tanzania. And they migrated all those kilometers just to enjoy this red rose grass of the Mara. Beautiful. So it's bye bye from the wallabies. Heading back to the lodge. I'll catch you on the next one.
So finally guys, we've come to an end of this awesome beautiful video. I know I didn't show you the crossing at the Great Mara River, but the animals just came in from the Sand River just the other day and they have not yet reached the Mara River. So in our next episode, I'm going to show you how the crossing happens at the Mara River. But I hope you enjoyed the Great Wildebeest migration for 2025. Because from Land Pride Adventures, it's adios. I'll catch you in the next one.